Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very exciting because we're talking about Ikea. The reason I love Ikea is because not only is it affordable, it's a global brand that so many of you watching actually have access to. I'm actually curious, let me know down in the comments, what country are you located in and do you have an Ikea near you? Every year around August, Ikea releases its new catalog with all of the new products and the things that they're continuing, and it's quite a beast of a catalog. So I really went through it and picked out what I think are some of the standout items. Last year I did this video and you all seemed to really enjoy it. However, I did get the feedback that you wanted to actually see the items in person and not just look at the catalog. So I heard you loud and clear, and this year I went into Ikea to actually scope out the products, see them in person and get a feel for them. I went to Ikea to scope out the products, I sent Ryan. I have a newborn, I can't be gone for that long, but he did a really good job. He found almost everything, although some of the products are not yet out on display. A lot of them are coming out in October or November, so I will note the ones that aren't yet out. With all of that said, if you are new here, please take a minute to subscribe. I would love to have you, and also go follow me over on Instagram at Vase Beauty. I'm very active on my stories almost every day. Two things I want to note, just overall looking at the Ikea catalog this year. I feel like there wasn't as many substantial new items this year, and I'm thinking that it might have something to do with COVID. Maybe they either delayed the launches of certain things or they just scaled back on production. And the second thing, which is amazing, due to COVID, Ikea decided to drop the prices of all of the items in their store. Everything I saw was at least $5 to $15 less than the price listed in the catalog. First, let's talk about this new couch that just launched. You all may or may not know, we've had an Ikea couch for now 7 years, and she's holding up. She's doing her thing. She's getting all the stains and living her best life over there. This is a dupe for a Pottery Barn couch, and to me, this looks really nice, but this light green color, I like, because it's something a little bit different, but not too crazy out there. It also comes in this rust red tone. This mirror, I am so excited about. This is one of my top items that I saw coming up that I just love, because this mirror is a dupe for a Crate and Barrel mirror that is way more expensive, just with that subtle metal frame around it, but it just makes such a nice statement piece for an entryway table, or even, as you can see, they have it styled here in a bathroom. So Ikea came out with a nicer, more substantial set of linen curtains, and I love linen curtains. They can be super pricey. The ones in this room are custom done by Budget Blinds. These look very similar, and they are a fraction of the price. Yeah, the thing with linen curtains, just make sure you have a steamer, a little mini steamer, because they do get wrinkled quite easily. Now, this is one of the more exciting, bigger furniture pieces that I saw in the catalog. Unfortunately, it is not yet out on display. They said it's coming either in late October, early November. Gives you the covered storage and the open storage. So the look of it is really nice. It could go in a playroom or can be styled and elevated to go in an office or even a family room, dining room. Oh, here they have it styled with a little closet end piece, so you could even use it in a bedroom. So I like that this piece is versatile and it's also unique. I haven't seen a lot of other furniture pieces that look just like this, so I like it. Kind of along those same lines, and a big theme I did notice in the catalog was these natural tones and that rattan look. So this pendant light I just love, and there are places like Restoration Hardware that have the same type of look for such a higher price. You can see it here styled above a bed, looks gorgeous. I could see it above, a dining table. This is really nice. And this is another one that is not yet out on display. Ryan did ask them, and it's $79 US, made with bamboo, which is a great sustainable material. This is a kitchen organizer caddy, because this is pretty cool, and it's a great use of vertical space, especially if you have a smaller kitchen. You can see how they have it here. They're using this bottom area as kind of a drying rack. You can put your sponges, your kitchen utensils. It looks sleek, it's not too in your face, and it looks like it fits right under a standard cabinet. This is one of my top new organization item picks, I have to say. Another thing I like are these bamboo boxes, and they're designed to fit within the collapsed storage shelves. So this is a new addition. The bamboo, you can see a theme here, kind of those natural tones, the bamboo, the wood tones. Another new bin they have that I think is really interesting, you're either gonna love it or hate it, is this one. It has kind of an industrial feel to it, almost reminds me of a locker, but this green color is just a nice shade of green, and it has the area on front where you can add a label to it. And again, it is designed to fit in the Kallax storage shelves, or even how they have it styled here. This is another one of their shelf units. I like the idea they have here of kind of using it to maybe organize your school supplies or binders. Another one of my top picks for 2021. This is my favorite line at IKEA, just for the record, but I love this storage shelf unit, in particular for the bathroom. You can see here how they have it styled. It's an amazing way to add storage space in a small bathroom. And also, you can style the space and just make it pretty so it's decorative and functional. This is a new storage unit they have, and I looked at this and I thought this is a great way to expand your garage space. Ryan now has his gym in the garage, so we lost all of our storage space in there. So I saw this, I'm like, this could be a good thing to put up on the sidewall, and then you can put bins on top and just put your seasonal decor items or your seasonal clothes. You can see here how they have it styled in a closet, and you could also definitely do that. Stone dishware right now is everywhere. I think Chrissy Teigen has her whole line in Target, and even though it's in Target, I mean, I saw them, they were a little too expensive for me. But these at IKEA, you can get a set of 4 for $19, and it has that beautiful stoneware look. They're really substantial and heavy looking. Now I can't vouch for them in person because these were also not yet out on display. They are coming soon, and the color I think would work in so many different kitchens with this light gray tone. Okay, now these vases I wanted to bring up because I feel like it's one of those things you're either gonna love them or hate them. They look like little birds, and I think they're adorable. Capri woke up. Don't worry, she's with Ryan. So let me know in the comments, how do you feel about these vases? Love them? Hate them? Somewhere in the middle? I think they're adorable. Like, I want them to be my pet. That's the other question, is it vase or vase? I mean, do you really know anyone who calls it vase? What if I started calling it vase? Would that be it? Next, oh my goodness, I wanted this, and I should have told Ryan to buy it while he was there. This IKEA Lunchbox, Bento box style. So adorable. They sell something similar to this on Amazon for 20 bucks. Trust me, I've seen it and I've almost bought it. This is only 5 bucks. And my favorite color, this teal on the inside, the little compartment so you can subgroup out your food items. Okay, now this lamp I thought was really interesting looking. I'm still a little bit on the fence about it, but overall I think I like it. This is one I don't know because I can't tell just by looking at it if it's comfortable or not. Were you able to find this and sit on it? So Ryan did actually sit on this and he said it felt solid, but would you say it felt comfortable?
I'd probably give it like 7.
You know, this is a distinct look. I think I would call this mid-century modern look. So if that's the look you're going for, here's what I would say. If you're in the market for a recliner, the recliner that I got for Capri's room is the best recliner. It's so comfortable. The price is amazing. It's gorgeous. I love it so much. So I will have that one linked down below. This table lamp to me looks similar to the pendant lamp that I showed earlier. I don't know if it's giving me a little too much of a basket than a lamp. You know, this bamboo style is very in right now, and if that is the decor in your home, if that's kind of the look you have, this could definitely work. So those were some of my standout favorite pieces from the 2021 catalog. Look, who else is ready for 2020 to be over? Bye-bye. Capri happened in 2020, so the year wasn't a total bust for me, but overall, I mean, I feel like 2020 was rough for most of us. So we're looking forward to 2021, some cool pieces at IKEA. Also let me know of everything I showed in this video, what is the item that you are the most excited about? What kind of tickled your fancy? That is a weird phrase, tickle your fancy? What does that even mean? And if you'd like to see me do more IKEA themed videos in the future, let me know, and let me know in the comments like what particular topics you would like to see me do, like IKEA organization, or maybe I could redo Carter's room with all IKEA things because he is overdue for a big boy room. He still kind of is in between. So yes, let me know. And with all of that said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.